Hi guys, it's Alexa. Today I'm gonna be doing popping the balloons for slime. So let's get started. Alright, got my bowl. Here. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. If you can't see my bowl, hold on. Oh yeah, books. Hey. Still cannot see. If you can't see my bowl, I have nowhere to put this. Oh, I still have tissue paper. Okay. So, you still can see my bowl. Still got some balloon. Still cannot see. Okay. Can't see. Okay, here we go. Now, it's almost taller than me. Using a lot of things to hold this though. Okay. Okay. First thing we're gonna cut open. Oh my gosh. Oh god. First thing we're gonna cut open is glue. Okay, this is how much glue I got. Now I think I need some more glue. Can I add a bit more? I'm mixing two types of glue, clear and white. Okay, that's enough. Mix more. Okay, next gonna cut open this. I forgotten what's inside. Maybe it's something like shaving cream or something. there something in here? Okay, shaving cream. I didn't have enough shaving cream. I'm gonna add more. There we go. Perfect. Time to mix it. Okay. Now this is oh wait, this is lotion and something. Lotion. Good. Okay, now I'm gonna add my color. Okay, I'm gonna mix.